Hi everyone, welcome to my cooking show at home. Have you tried any new recipes recently? Today, I'll show you how to cook a traditional Spanish answer to the famous French onion soup, sopa de ajo, also known as garlic soup or egg drop garlic soup. As always, you can find the list of ingredients in the description below. And please like this video to support my channel. Sopa de ajo is hearty and very easy to make, using just a few simple ingredients besides the stock. I'll also cook my own vegetable stock, so I'll need 1 onion, 1 carrot, and a couple of celery sticks. Peel the onion and carrot and add them, together with the celery, into a pot with 6 cups of water. Cook it over medium heat for about 20 minutes after it starts to boil. While the stock is cooking, let's prepare the garlic. Peel off the dry, loose skin first. Instead of peeling each clove individually, I'll show you a quick trick to clean all of them at once. Separate the cloves, place them into a small metal pot or something similar, close the lid and shake hard for about 20 seconds. Most of the peel will fall off. Then, just remove the loose skin and trim the dark ends. Cut the garlic cloves into thin slices, just like this. Now for the bread. Since I don't have stale bread today, I'll use toasted fresh bread instead. Preheat a pot on the stove for 1 minute, add 5 tablespoons of olive oil, and sauté the garlic until fragrant. About 3 minutes. Then stir in 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, followed by the crumbled bread. Keep sautéing for another 2 minutes, then add the strained stock. Once the soup comes to a boil, crack in the eggs one by one. Whisk after each addition for an egg drop texture, or if you prefer whole poached eggs, leave them untouched after cracking. That's also a traditional way to serve this soup, with 1 poached egg in each bowl. After all the eggs are added, reduce the heat and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. Remove from heat, taste for salt, adjust if needed, and serve with fresh parsley. Enjoy! If you have any questions, please ask them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!